Hi, this is Alvin Tan. I'm doing TLIC 1051, operate commercial vehicle. I'm now going around the car. Now checking the tires, making sure everything's okay. Going around the car. It's good. It's good. Okay. So I've checked all the glasses and the windows are not broken, they are roadworthy. I'm now putting on my seatbelt. Okay. Just putting on the student's address. Clicking direction, start. Okay. I'm now doing the pre-drive check. Okay. Checking my indicator left, indicator right. Brake is working. Wiper and washer all working. And I'm ready to go. Okay. Handbrake down. Putting on drive. Slowly crawling out of the car park. Making sure everything's safe. Stopping because there's a car. Okay, all clear. Turning left, doing all my proper head check. Then giving way, turning. Where are we going? Okay, turning right at the roundabout. Head check. Turning left. Doing my check at the mirror, the back. Okay. Okay, giving way to the right. This is a give way, left turn only. Okay, all clear. Stoplight ahead. Mirror, braking, slowing down. Okay, all clear. Speed is 60. Following speed sign. Checking who's behind me. Making sure I'm aware who's beside me. Okay, map says we're going to turn right on the next traffic light. Okay, Morris Road, mirror indicating to the right. Doing my proper head check. Slowing down, covering my brakes, looking behind me. Red arrow to my right, stopping here, keeping a safe gap, 2 tires on a bit of the road. So while at stop, I'm aware of what's happening around me. There's a motorbike beside us. Okay. And it's a good weather out there at the moment. Okay, so map says we turn right. Okay, green light on. Keeping a safe following distance. 60 speed zone. Increasing my speed. Checking who's behind me, doing my proper mirror. Making sure I'm 60 below. I'm mindful of the street here. So like this car coming out. Checking my rear mirror. Okay, slowing down. Checking my mirror in the back. We're going to turn right on the traffic light. Mirror, indicator, do a proper head check, slow down. Okay, first line disappear, full stop. Okay, we're now turning right at this intersection. Okay, let go. Mindful, there's somebody beside the road. Local street 50. Speed bump. Okay, roadside says 30 on the bend. Slowing down. Okay, checking my surroundings, being aware of what's happening in the front. Checking my mirror, there's a car. Okay, we're going to turn right at the roundabout. Slowing down. Thank you. Okay, to the left. Right. Speed bump ahead. There's a car behind us. Slowing down. Going to pull over, doing my proper head check. And making the car safe. Park, brake, indicator off, and turning off the engine. And that's all. Thank you so much.